If you find incorrect information on your credit report, you can take the following steps to dispute and potentially remove it. Gather evidence, collect any documentation that supports your claim that the information is incorrect, such as billing statements, payment receipts, or other records. Contact the credit bureau, send a letter or file a dispute online with the credit bureau that is reporting the incorrect information. Explain the issue and provide any supporting evidence. You should also include a copy of your credit report with the incorrect information highlighted. Contact the furnisher if the incorrect information is related to a specific account, such as a credit card or loan. You can also contact the company that provided the information to the credit bureau. They may be able to correct the error and notify the credit bureau. Wait for a response. The credit bureau has 30 days to investigate your dispute and respond with their findings. If they agree that the information is incorrect, they will remove it from your credit report. If they do not agree, you can request that a statement of dispute be added to your credit report. Follow up. If the credit bureau does not respond within 30 days or does not correct the error, you can follow up with another letter or contact the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau for assistance. It's important to note that removing incorrect information from your credit report can take time, and there is no guarantee that it will be removed. However, it's still worth the effort, as errors on your credit report can negatively impact your credit score and make it more difficult to obtain credit or loans.